What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, stocks made major moves on today. We got to talk all about it. We also have CPI on tomorrow. The report will be coming out at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. Okay, so listen, that is always a market moving event, at least in the last 2 years. All right, so we expect no different on tomorrow. Right now, if the number comes in low and lower than expected, expect the rally to continue. If not, guys, expect a reversal in stocks to begin to go down. Without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, check it out. I want to say major salute to those of you who are doing your thing on this year so far. Okay, listen, guys, it's a brand new year, brand new beginnings. I'm super excited about all of you. Okay, those that's been rocking, those that's new to the family, because we're going places and we're going places together. Today, guys, I did several plays, but mainly it was around Apple. Okay, right now I want to just share this with you guys. Okay, I'm on a mission, okay, to make at least $10,000 this month off of Apple. Okay, and so join the Discord. Every single day I give my price targets for what these plays will do, where they will go, both to the upside and downside, and that's all I'm playing, and those are the moves I'm making. Tesla did this thing on the day. I'll talk about that in a little bit. Apple did this thing on the day, as well as the SPY, among many other stocks in the stock market today, because this is what you get when the risk is on. Okay, stocks can move, and then they can show you how much they can move, which is the power of why we do what we do. Okay, but listen, guys, you already know, if you rock with me, on average, I try to buy between 200 contracts and at the very minimum 100 contracts per play. Okay, that's not nothing I recommend. It's just what I prefer to do at the stage of the game I'm operating at. Okay, again, I preach and I teach and show you guys how to work your way up. $100 a day, eventually $1,000 a day, so on and so forth. But anyway, guys, on the journey to a quick $10,000 this month, let me share this play with you guys. All right, in Discord this morning, I talked about Apple making a move to 132 to 133 today. So I had my eyes set on that. But guys, it was all about the entry, and it was all about making sure I got in, not doing the hustle and bustle, not doing the chop, but when the moves were going to be clearly made. And as you can see, guys, we were able to do our thing on today, lock this in, and now we can sit back, relax, and get ready for tomorrow. Okay, and that means we will react to what we see, whether the market goes up tomorrow, whether the market goes down tomorrow. We have our price targets and our levels that these stocks will go to depending on how the report comes out. To further break Apple down, guys, check this out. In after hours, it is currently sitting at 133.44. It was up 2% on today, or roughly $2.75. The ticker on this one is AAPL. Check it out, guys. For the week, Apple is up almost 5%. This will continue if we get a positive report on tomorrow. Okay, this, I will be looking for this to go to that 135 to 139 level if all goes well on tomorrow, if we are moving to the upside. Okay, so I'm telling you in advance, my calls will be taking and riding this up to that level. But check this out. If we get hit with the okie doke and they hit us with the ooh-wah, okay, and the market begins to go down, okay, I'm looking for this to come back down to retrace today's move back down to that 130 level, okay, 129 level, and I'll be again riding this down in that direction. That will be a put to those levels, and then I'll be locking in profit, taking one trade a day. I'm gonna talk to you guys about that over the weekend. It's been my strategy to start this year out, taking one high quality trade just to really knock it out the park, and then just practice being more efficient. I've been on that. I'm going to share that with you guys in my journey, and some things you guys might want to glean from that. Okay, so that you're not exposing yourself and you're not putting yourself at risk by over trading. Okay, with that being said, guys, check this out. Look at Tesla, up another 3.5% on today, $4.37 to be exact. TSLA is a ticker symbol on this one, guys. Tesla's sitting at 123.09. We talked about this in the Discord, but we've been talking about this for days now, and I'm trying to teach you guys how to strategically and methodically learn how to make money by playing level to level. This fell down to 100, 101 level, guys, and everybody throwing the towel on Tesla. And I was trying to tell you guys, no, buyers are going to be waiting at that level because the shorts are doing too much, okay? And we're burning them right now because we're sitting way up here from 101 to 123. And I told you guys, if we get through 123, we are going to make a move to 128. Check this out, guys. On today, look at this. We pushed as high as 125. We got up to that level, almost reaching 126. But they was there to knock us back down. That's called a one test rejection, okay? Typically when you're trying to make a new upward move, that first test will get rejected. So we got to 123. Remember, we got knocked down a couple days ago. We came back and retested. That's a good sign. Okay, now tomorrow, if CPI comes in halfway decent, Tesla, guess what? It's going to come back from this level and it's going to go and test this 125 level. But listen, tomorrow it might have enough momentum to break through depending on how the report comes out. And guess what, guys? Guess where we're headed if that's the case? We're going to 128. So again, be ready for that, plan for that, understand that, okay? And however, if the numbers come in horrible and inflation is still going crazy, then you already know all bets are off, all TA is invalidated, and then this play will be going back down to the support levels you guys hear us discuss every other day. That 118 level, that 115 level, you'll start seeing things like that back in play, okay? I want you guys to know how to navigate the market and learn to make money in the market in both directions, regardless of what stocks are doing, regardless of what the news is and what they're talking about on Wall Street, okay? And then check this out, guys. The SPY, ticker symbol SPY. You know this represents the S&P 500, guys. This one is sitting at 395.47. It showed out on today, up almost $5, almost 1.5% on today. This was phenomenal, guys. This even beat my expectations. I was looking for this to come to 392, 393 on today. It surpassed that. And so again, two things are going to happen. This is going to continue up to like 397, 398 range if CPI comes in, or they'll retrace this whole move. Look at this. This just was almost as close as you can get to a straight line in the stock market. They'll retrace this whole move tomorrow if CPI comes in, and we're going to come right back to here, 390, 93, if this doesn't go in our favor on tomorrow, okay? Just be mindful. But again, if things go in our favor, okay, meaning CPI comes in lower, inflation is starting to come down, markets are going to be ready to rally. The SPY, Tesla, Apple, those will be some of the stocks, among others, that will lead the way. I want you guys to be prepared. I want you guys to anticipate, but more importantly, be ready to make money. Matter of fact, join the Discord. Link for that is in the description below. I'll give a morning briefing on my thoughts and where stocks are headed based on the CPI report once it comes out, because then we'll have the real numbers. We'll see, okay, is things coming in lower? Are we moving higher? Or boom, did the number still go higher? Our stock's going to crash. Regardless of what it do, you guys will know how to play it. More importantly, you guys will know how to make money. Listen, guys, we got a lot at play, but I want to make sure you guys are prepared, locked, loaded, and ready to go. If you haven't already, don't hesitate to get the support and the help that you need, guys. We got one-on-one coaching. We got tons of help and support inside the Discord with our pro investors. They're looking to teach. They're looking to help you guys learn how to trade, how to read charts, giving out plays, the whole nine, okay? So guys, make sure you are getting what you need. Make sure you're tapping into the free resources and to the other things that's available to you, okay? And don't be afraid to invest in yourself and get the support you need on this journey, okay? It's a beautiful thing. If done right, if done in a modest, conservative way, not in a sensationalized way, but in a way that something that you all can replicate and duplicate is possible, okay? So with that being said, I just want to encourage you guys. We got a big day on tomorrow. We need to bring our A game. Okay, so get some good night rest, look over your charts, have some plays in mind that, okay, if we go up, we might go to this level. If we go down, we might fall down to this level, so that you can at least have a game plan for yourself, or just join the Discord, and I'll be sure to talk about some of the moves to look out for. Okay, with that being said, guys, major salute. Proud of you all. Keep up the good work. We make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. So do me a favor, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.